Miss this and you're stuck in Linux admin while others transition to DevOps roles, unable to effectively manage and deploy applications across a global infrastructure like AWS, where a simple mistake like deploying to the wrong region can lead to high latency complaints from users. What it does, AWS provides a global infrastructure that allows users to deploy applications in multiple regions around the world, each comprising multiple availability zones, which in turn are connected to edge locations, providing a robust and highly available platform for deploying applications. Understanding this infrastructure is crucial for choosing the right region for your application and ensuring low latency and high performance for your users. Command example. Breaking it down, AWS is divided into regions, each of which is a separate geographic area. These regions are further divided into availability zones, which are isolated locations within a region that are connected through low latency networks. Edge locations, on the other hand, are smaller locations that are used for caching content and are typically located in major cities around the world. When choosing a region for your application, you should consider factors such as the location of your users, the availability of services, and the cost of resources. Common mistakes. One common mistake is deploying an application to a region that is far from the majority of your users, resulting in high latency and poor performance. Another mistake is not taking into account the availability of services in a region, such as not checking if a specific database service is available in the chosen region. Additionally, not considering the cost of resources in a region can lead to unexpected expenses. Try this next. To get a better understanding of the AWS Global Infrastructure, try using the AWS Management Console to explore the different regions and availability zones. You can also use the AWS CLI to list the available regions and filter them based on specific criteria. Additionally, you can use tools such as the AWS region table to compare the services and features available in each region. Pro tip: when choosing a region for your application, consider using a region that is closest to the majority of your users, and make sure to check the availability of services and the cost of resources in that region. It's also a good idea to use a content delivery network, CDN, to cache content at edge locations around the world, which can help reduce latency and improve performance for users in different regions.